Hi, welcome to Musa's YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use a broody hen to hatch any birds naturally, regardless of whether it's a chicken or not. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and watch until the end to find out how it's done. I have used this method naturally to hatch my ducks and guinea fowls using a hen. First, you need no experience. Whether you are a beginner or a pro farmer, you can do it. All you need is a broody hen that has signs of sitting on its eggs, preferably an indigenous one. Number 2, you need a laying bird with the most recent eggs, preferably those between 7 to 14 days. The fresher the eggs, the higher the hatchability rate. Make sure you keep the eggs while the sharp point is facing down. Number 3, give the hen enough eggs that it can fully cover, turn them, and hatch them successfully. Number 4, record the dates from which you placed the eggs so that you can expect when to hatch. Have in mind that ducks and guinea fowls have a gestation period of 28 days, apart from the Muscovy duck, which has 35. The hen has 21 days. Number 5, don't forget to feed the broody hen and occasionally check on it to make sure that it does not get sick within the process. Number 6, prepare the brooding room a day before you bring in the chicks and their mother. Congratulations! After you have followed all these steps successfully, then you have started your journey. In our next video, we shall teach you how to hatch your chicks on the same day, known as synchronized hatching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so that you don't miss out any important content. God bless you.